guys, it's your boy Brandon, aka BD2 Tears, aka I don't know, I don't really have too many AKAs lately. And today I'm going to be talking about a company that reached out to me and my boy Mike Smith and wanted me to try some of their products. And initially I was intrigued, and then my intrigue grew once I got the products. And that is the brand, the UK brand, 7 Potions. Now what makes this stuff unique is that it is, at least from talking to the person that runs the company, seems like a really customer oriented company that's trying to make some good stuff that's going to be reliable and easy to use and long lasting. Now one thing I would say is that this is lab made, but the thing that I noticed, not to get too far into the review already, is that it doesn't come off feeling lab made to me. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, this is the High Hold, High Shine water-based pomade. Now, the design on this, I think it's pretty standard. It's actually eye-popping. I really like when there's a lot of black background and there's like just some minimal colors. It really gets your attention. You see the 7 potions and then all that jazz. On the back, it tells you how to use it. It tells you what's in it. There's water, shea butter, cannadilla wax, caranuba wax, Ceratinthe 20, glycerol ceratate, castor oil, I'm saying these all wrong, vegetable glycerin, cocoa butter, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. So there's a lot of good oils in this too. The scent on this, you know, it took a while to grow on me. The easiest way, I don't know if any of you all have allergies, but the easiest way to describe the scent is if you ever used Flonase, the stuff you spray in your nose. It has kind of a lavender scent to it. At first I didn't like it, I'll be honest with you, because for me, really flowery scents kind of trigger my allergies. But when you put it in your hair and you go throughout the day, it kind of morphs into almost like a lavender, like almost like a masculine lavender. It's weird to say, but it works really well. So don't let the scent, if you're not a flowery type scent person, detour you. This is actually pretty decent. Scoopability is really nice. It's really creamy. I like that. You don't need a lot either. Now, you might be asking yourself, okay, this is a lab-made product. Breakdown is easy. It's a lab-made product and it's water soluble. So that means, at least to me, when I think about that, it comes down to one of two things. Is it going to act like a gel type, or is it going to act like an unorthodox water base? Now, when asking myself that as well, an application's pretty easy, as you can see. Granted, I have a shorter haircut right now, but I left a lot on top so I can do some pomps, and the application is still really nice. So you might be asking yourself, okay, if it's going to act like, you know, an orthodox, a gel type, how does it feel? Well, it breaks down, it feels almost like a cream. And when you apply it, it applies like a cream. It feels, it's not, but it's not really dry. For me, what I noticed when using this stuff is that it's more like an unorthodox water base, in that because, or at least the nature of how it breaks down, it feels a lot slicker in the hair, and it feels easy to restyle throughout the day. So if you were to use this and you put a style in, it's not going to be hard to change it partway through the day. It's one of those types of products. So for that, I was pleasantly surprised, because I'll be honest with you, I like gel types when they are advertised as gel types, but when you get a product that says it's water soluble and it doesn't act water soluble, it pisses me off. So thankfully this stuff does act water soluble. The hold on this is said that it's a high hold. Now you can see I have some little, because my haircut's on the shorter side in the back, I have some little stringies that want to pop up. This is one of those products that it definitely is high holding, but if you have unruly calyx in the back like I do, or something similar, you're going to want to apply like individual you know, like an individual amount right here. Like I'd want to put some extra pomade right here just to make sure that, you know, my hair isn't going all over the place, isn't going crazy. I could also do my part better, but you know, I'm at work, so I really don't care. And you can also do all sorts of different styles with this. You can do it with a comb. I can show you that you can get a really high pomp if you want to. You can get good volume out of this stuff, which I like. Gosh, dude, I might go just like crazy tall, but and sorry, I'm kind of rambling now. You know, I gotta be real with you, letting you guys in. I'm gonna do an update video soon. I'm gonna be moving and I'm quitting my job, and there's just a lot of stuff going on with me right now, so pardon me for my mind kind of being out in left field swimming. Okay, I think that about does it. I got a crazy tall pomp with my hair right now. Now, like I said, there are some stringies going out. You can use the boar hair brush. You can reapply some extra pomade to those areas, but it's not going to give you the same type of high hold that you would expect out of like a gel type pomade. If I were to use a gel type pomade, all of this stuff would just stick down in the back. However, one thing about the unorthodox stuff, depending on how heavy it is, you know, you kind of tread a thin line between being overly waxy, underly waxy, you know, too much, too little, then it starts feeling like an oil base. So I feel like this is on the, it says it's high hold. I feel like it comes off more like a firm. It has good endurance. It has good endurance, and this style will last most of the day. Also, like I said, my hairstyle, the way that I got my hair cut, is I need like really heavy oil base, or I need gel type. So don't let it, you know, discourage you from trying this, that my hair is sticking up. It's just the way that it's cut. If your hair is longer, it'll slick down. The one thing that I really like about this pomade is that it has really good hold and endurance, but it has really good slickability with giving you a firm hold. That I like. And because of that, I'm really drawn to it. Once my hair grows out a little bit more, I'll be using this product a little bit more than I am right now. So overall, what would I have to say about this product? What would I have to give it? I would give this a 4.2 out of 5. This is a great water-soluble pomade, and I don't have too much more to say. I already said it. I know I repeat myself a lot in my reviews, so I'll make it short and sweet. It's good endurance, good hold, easy to style, easy to break down, easy to use. Scent, you know, it varies depending as it goes throughout the day. It gets better. If you're not a flowery person scent, you might want to avoid this, to be honest with you. But if not, it is a nice lavender scent. And as you can see, you get some good shine out of it too. Even though my hair is kind of wanting to pop up there near the part, you still get some good shine and you can get some good volume. And I'm almost certain that this style will last for the whole entire day. So let me know if you guys have tried 7 potions. Let me know how you feel about them, and have a good one.